So came into the car the other day and the LCD screen was not working. Did a lot of research on it and it looks like the APIM was not working. So I ordered a new APIM and we're gonna go ahead and take it apart and replace it. So the first thing we gotta do is get under this. It's got 4 little pries. And you do have to put quite a bit of force on it in order to get them up. Now the second thing we got to do is there are 2 7mm screws right there that we need to remove. It's kind of tight here with the windshield, so you do have to use a ratchet rather than any power tool. Now we need to get under here and pop it up. You got to be careful because there is a connector to the speaker. So you've got 3 more pops right here that you have to get in with a pry tool to get under there, and then it comes right out. So just need to disconnect the speaker and then set that part aside. And now we need to remove these 2 7mm screws. So if you look back behind the panel here, you'll see the 2 white clips. One of them is going to be right there, and the other one is going to be kind of hard to get to it, but right there. So you'll need to put a little bit of pressure in order to get that to come out. Can you see this over here? So point it down over here. So these are your connectors. Each one of these connectors need to be disconnected, and the way we do that is we're going to squeeze and bring them out. Just take note of where each one of them is. Can you see all 3 of them? Okay. Up. And then we also have these ones up here that need to be disconnected as well, these 3. So you've got a total of 6 connectors that you need to disconnect. So what we found as we were trying to disconnect these is they were not coming out very easy. And what we found is there's a little teeny tab there that you have to just move over, and then it pops right out. And mine are color coded, so green, green, black, black, and gray and gray. And then you can take these out as well. All right, so there are 3 screws on each side you need to take out. And again, be very careful, because if you drop one, it's going to be very difficult to get it if it goes back into the compartment. There's a little clip here. You have to put a little pressure on it. Once you put the pressure on, you're going to be able to get under, pull this tab back. And as you pull this off, it will automatically pull itself out. Like that. This one's got a little tab. Pull that out like that. And then you've got a yellow and a blue here. You don't need to disconnect the yellow. You only need to disconnect the blue, because this is going to stay with the unit. So we'll work on getting. We have everything disconnected. We have some Phillips screws we're going to take out. And now we can disconnect our APIM unit. So here is the new APIM. I keep calling it APIM. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but here's the new unit. The person that I purchased this from on eBay reached out to me and asked me for my VIN number, and he was able to automatically program it. So nothing needs to be programmed on this unit here. And now we just put it back together the way we took it apart. We get everything?
Yeah.
Okay. So, put this back in here. I'm on the wrong side. All right, so let's start with the gray one. All right, so we have it most of the way put back together, but before we do it, seal it all the way back up, we're gonna test it just by turning on the car. Everything is connected except for the speaker, so we're gonna give it a try. So put your foot on the brake there. Yep. Push hard. We're just gonna go pink and look right here.
Moment of truth.
And it looks like it worked. So we'll go ahead and turn off the car, and we will finish the assembly of it. So I'm actually going to pull this just a little bit so we don't mess up any of the cords. And I'm going to start at the bottom, working my way up to re-engage those clips. Now that this is secure, we are going to put on these screws. We just need to reassemble the speaker. Yeah, but it's pretty self-explanatory. And set this one in. Pop, pop, and then put in our 7mm screws in the back. Now we're going to put these in, give it a little push, put this back in here, and test it. So go ahead and put your foot on the brake again. Okay, you can let go.
Yeah.
Well,
What is that noise?
don't know. Okay, keep it focused here. There's definitely, I wonder if that's the speaker. I hear something. All right, so let's just test it. So Good. And we're good.
Capital One is the proud presenting partner of Hot 99.5's Jingle Ball, bringing great products, rewards, and services
All right.
to their customers.
Let's go ahead and put it back on me. I hope you have learned a little bit about doing this. It's definitely something that can be done. Took me probably about 40 minutes to do this, and that's it. Like and subscribe, and thank you. Have a nice day.